Starborn Beats.
Hey beautiful people, as some of you might already know from my Instagram story, I have a very amazing video for you guys today. It's the review, first impressions and unboxing of the Tamron 85 1.8 lens that I just recently purchased. Some of you already know that I am invested in the Tamron ecosystem. Some of you might ask why. I'm going to tell you in a bit, but first of all, a big shout out to Go Pixel for hooking me up with this lens. They helped me purchase my 24. I actually bought my 24-70 Tamron lens from them, and they hooked me up with this lens as well. Their services are amazing. If you guys are in the market to purchase equipment, camera gear and equipment, please don't look any further. Check them out. 100%. I recommend them any day. They've been of good service to me, and I've recommended a few people to them who are also very happy with their service. So go check them out. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go check them out and let them know I sent you. You might actually get a discount. And one big shout out also to my beautiful wife Zenobia, who has been giving me unwavering support in my photography journey for some time now. I know it's not easy. Photography is very expensive. So you guys out there who are married, who have partners, who are supporting you, let's give them some credit because they are doing amazing, supporting us and letting us buy all the gear that we need. It's not easy. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. Let me tell you why I purchased this lens and why I think I'm gonna love shooting with this lens. So you guys know that I'm all about getting gear that won't break the bank, and when I chance on anything like that, I want to share with you. So I wanted to get an 85 lens because the 85 range is very amazing for events, for portraits, for like almost entirely everything. The 85 range, as some of you already know, it's a pretty amazing range. I tried the Sigma 85, which is an amazing lens by all standards, but I realized it wasn't for me because I did a shoot with Nana Foni, a hijab photo shoot some time back, and I usually shoot back button focus. If you guys don't know back button focus, there are a lot of videos and on YouTube and even on Google explaining what back button focus is and how you can set your camera for back button focus. It's a pretty amazing thing you can do. When you're shooting, there's a button you can set your focus to. You take the focus from your shutter button so that the camera won't automatically focus for you, but you choose when to focus. When you push the button, then you shoot, it fires. So I am always using back button focus. So the model is standing right in front of me. I'm doing some close-up shots and I'm using back button focus. I don't know why it wasn't focusing. I missed, like in 5 shots that I'll take a picture of, 3 would be in focus, 2 wouldn't be, and I didn't get it. And it's an amazing lens. The colors are good, everything is really good about the lens. It's super sharp, but I didn't like what I was getting from the lens. So my advice to you guys, upcoming photographers and even pros out there, if you want to get a gear, try and look for somebody who already has it. Try it, test it, and see if it will serve you right, or it would deliver on what you need it for before you purchase it. Else you might buy something very expensive and not end up loving it. You guys can check out my Instagram page on the wedding that I recently shot. I used the Tamron 35 f2 lens from Mancha Impressions. He has that lens and I loved that lens. I don't know, Tamron's new line of lenses are super amazing, and guys, they won't break the bank. They're inexpensive, literally. Like, as compared to the companies out there, like from Canon, like they're super expensive, but the Tamron line will give you everything for like a very, very, very good price. So that is one of the reasons why I got the Tamron 85, because of the price and then what it delivers. Because a lot of reviews out there are doing amazing. And if you guys follow Manny Ortiz, he recently tried the Tamron 17 to 28 or 25, I'm not too sure, but it's a 17 range. It's a wide, ultra wide lens, and he did it for portraits with his wife. And he went on and on about the lens. Like a lot of, I even met Quicktime one time at an event, and he was telling me about the Tamron 28 lens. I would link the exact name and in the description so you guys can check it out. Well, it's a lens for Sony. It's a Tamron. He says that's the best combination. There's Sony and then the Tamron lens. He uses it for almost a lot of his shoots. So Tamron are making a pretty amazing lenses, so you guys should check them out if you're in the market to purchase a lens for your photography journey. Guys, you know I'm all about sharing with you guys and stuff that won't break your bank. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about the Tamron lens. If you've seen it, you've used it, you have somebody who is using it, you've watched any reviews on it, let me know if you're considering getting an 85 lens. Let me know down in the comments and let's interact, let's share ideas. And until I come here again next week, do check out my Instagram page at Quicktime Photography for some beautiful images from me. Let's stay inspired, let's stay shooting, and peace.